Okay, now that we're in our thinking chair, let's make music. Just kidding. Let's think. Will you help me? You will? Great. Okay, so we're trying to figure out what Bloom wants to do today. And our clues are pot lids, a drum, and a marching toy. So what could Bloom want to do today with pot lids, a drum, and a marching toy? Well, the drum makes music, right? Oh, and the pot lids, if we band them together, they sound like cymbals. Yeah, and the marching toy marches, right? So, what could Bloom want to do today with a drum, pot lids, and a marching toy? A marching band parade? A marching parade! I love a parade! So, the pot lids are the cymbals, and the drum is a drum, and the marching toy is the march. We just figured out Blue's clues, and that means we get to sing.